Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website called receivesms.io. It's a website that lets you receive SMS verifications on your phones for free using online phone numbers. I'll show you how to get a free number, how to use it to receive verification messages, and every other thing that works. So if you have been looking for a free way to receive SMS online, make sure you watch to the end. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So guys, you will come over to this website, receivesms.io. It says receive SMS online with free temporary phone numbers. As you can see, you can come over to this section right here and click copy. It will copy the phone number and you can paste it on your application which the number is needed for. Then you click on open. It will open the details to the number. As you can see, this number has been used for OkCupid recently. This is the recent so if you any service you use it for will drop its code right here. As you can see, this number has received 16,638 SMS messages, and there are multiple countries, so you can just scroll over here and select the countries you would love to use for your numbers. Let's check out Germany. These are the Germany numbers that are available right here. Only 8 numbers are available for Germany. There are South Korea. We have South Korea. We also have United Kingdom. These are numbers that have been here recently. So these numbers work for any application when you are looking for a free verification method and you don't want to use your real phone number. You can just head over to this website and get some numbers. So if you want to buy some private numbers, you can just click on private numbers right here, and it will take you to their main website where you can buy numbers. Although you have to register before getting a private number, but for our free numbers, it's just there. You can just open the site right here and choose any number or any country of your choice. Let's check out Brazil. As you can see, there are numbers in every country. There are active numbers in every country. So I think that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.